Hello guys, I Arvind Mahapadra. Today I thought to start a new interview series, question series on data analyst interview question on Python specifically, the way it is there for the SQL. So I'm trying to collect all the question related to that on the Python for the position of data analyst and data engineering or the BI analyst role. So today I got one of the website Strata Scratch, that is the one of the website from where we can able to get all the Python related questions, and that has been asked in the multiple companies. So today's question will be asked by the Salesforce, and the level of the question is easy basically. So let's jump into the question. So compare each employee salary with the average salary for corresponding department. So output should be the department first name and salary of the employee along with the average salary of that particular department. So the expected output, it should be the input should be the data frame, that is employee data frame, and the expected output, it's in the data frame, and the expected output will be here. So basically department and first name, salary, and the average salary of that particular department. So here, if we'll see here, the we have the employee table where we have multiple columns are there: ID, first name, last name, and department salary. We need first name and department and the salary, and from this one we have to find out the average salary of each department with the help of Python. So what I will do, so first the intuition of this problem is of this problem statement is basically we have to find out the average salary of the department. Then we have to merge the original data frame along with the average salary data frame. Then we will able to get the respective average salary for the department, and we have to put it in that particular order itself. Department will be the first column, second column will be the first underscore name, and third column will be the salary, and the last column will be the average salary of each department. So let's jump into the canvas. So I'm just trying to import the pandas. I'm just trying to import pandas as PD. So what I will do is now, so if you will, so this is the basically the input data frame. If we will add, then we will able to see the first first 5 rows here. So first name, last name, age, sex, employee, title, department, salary, target, all these columns are available here. So what I will do is now is employee dot group by. I have to group by which column? I have to group by department basically, and to mention dot mean. So what it will do, so employee dot group by, it will group by the department, and it will aggregate the salary, will aggregate the salary mean. It will find out the mean of the salary. So let's run it here. So these are the salary. So these are the average salary of each department basically. So now on the point is, now I'll just store it in a data frame, that is df. Now point is, now how I'll come to know that 950 is aligned to which department? The average salary of 950 is aligned to which department? How I will come to know now? So if you will find out the index of this data frame, let's run it. if you will see, so it will be the audit, management and sales. Usually whenever you will do the group by, this index whenever you will do the group by, that particular index, it will be hide out, it will be in the part of the index only. So now what I have to do, I have to reset the index, so that we have multiple options in the inside the reset underscore index. We can give the name, we can drop the index table after resetting the index. And basically whenever you will do the reset underscore index, by default it will convert to 0 1 2. The index will be the 0 1 2. So here if you will see the department, now that we have reset the index, so now this index, it will convert it to the basically into a column. So reset underscore index, then what I will do is we'll store it inside a index, and then what I will do is I will just, now I have to rename this one, because this is not the salary, because this is the average salary. So now I'll just rename it average salary. I'll rename the salary to average salary, basically. Run it. So now we have successfully rename it. I can mention in the here also to rename the column. I just mention another one for the another line for the better understanding. And you can also mention in plus equal to true, so that it will store inside that existing data frame. So but I'm just assigning the same df here. And now what we have to do is, now we have to merge this this data frame with the employee data frame to get the respective first name and the salary. So what I have to do is I have to mention another pt.merge, and here I have to mention employee comma df comma on department. It will basically it will merge the two data frame on the basis of defined column, and how it should be the left. So if we'll run it, so if you will run it, the last column will be the manager ID, as it's there in the uh, original employee table, employee data frame, and then average salary is there. Then I have to just store this one in the merge underscore df underscore merge. I will give the name of the data frame, and then what I will do, I will just keep the required column only here. So the first column will be the department, second column will be the first name, third column will be the salary that is coming from the employee and data frame, and the fourth column which we have it's coming from the this data frame df data frame average salary. So now if we will run it, let's see what will be the expected output. Okay, something is wrong. because the bracket, it should be the in the last, but it's by mistakenly it's in between this column. So now if you will see the expected output, and the expected output should be equal to the same output. So it's solved now. So basically this question being asked in during the session of Salesforce interview session, and if you have any better way to approach this problem in maybe in any efficient way to handle this problem, please do comment in this video section. So it will be the great contribution to the data community. And thank you for watching my video, and do like and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.